here I am gonna share my advent calendar. I made this a couple years ago because I couldn't find anything that I liked. So I just decided to just buy felt and make it my own, just stitching it around. And then I got these little numbers, these little creepy numbers from Joann's. And I put some sticky letters up there and that's it. But as you can see, the candy that I use is leftover Halloween candy. Our town is like crazy with Halloween and trick-or-treating. So we get tons and tons and tons of candy. And I save it for occasions like a special treat throughout the year. Literally, the amount of candy lasts us all year. And I've even put them in piñatas for my kids' birthdays.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.